This is Patatas Bravas. It's a traditional Spanish dish, also known as spicy potatoes. It's made with arugula, potatoes, artichoke hearts, feta cheese, and almonds, with a spicy aioli that you drizzle on top of it. So if you would like to learn how to make this, keep watching. Hi, I'm Heather and welcome back to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dish that my friend Hillary made for me a couple of years ago. It's called Patatas Bravas. This is a dish that's native to Spain, and essentially it just means spicy potatoes. It can be served as an appetizer, and it can also be served as a main dish. When she made it for us, it was our dinner, and I have found that it's filling enough that when I make it for our family, it's our dinner. So it's really easy, and it's almost addictive tasting with the aioli that I make that goes with it. One thing I will tell you ahead of time is I strongly recommend when you do make this, keep all of the ingredients separated until you're ready to eat. And then if you have leftovers, keep them separated so that you store everything separately so that things don't get soggy. This is about 15 baby potatoes cut in half and fried. So my husband fried these up for us. He was my helper today. And they've got seasonal salt on them, salt and pepper. You fry them up, you put them on a paper towel, let the oil drain a little bit, and put them in a bowl. The next thing you do is you take a can of artichoke hearts and you drain the water out of them and you pat them dry on a cutting board. You cut them lengthwise and you put these artichokes in the pan that you just had the potatoes in. And you fry the artichokes up for just a few minutes until they're kind of browned and warmed through. This dish is meant to be served warm. It can be served cold, but it's meant to be served warm. Next, you have feta cheese, and you can put as much feta cheese on it as you want. And then you have chopped almonds, and that's a garnish that goes on at the end. And the main lettuce ingredient is arugula. Arugula has a mustardy taste to it, and it just is really nicely balanced with all these other ingredients. And this is simply a big container from the grocery store of arugula. The aioli, this is a half a cup of mayonnaise, some minced garlic. This is 1 minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, and then this is chili chipotle powder. So this stuff can get pretty spicy, and you literally add it to taste. So I like to mix this part up first. So I'm going to give this a taste. That's perfect. So again, you can add more chili powder if you like it to be a little bit spicier, but it blends so nicely with the entire dish. That is delicious. You can really taste the spicy aioli, and it blends so well with the potatoes and the arugula and the feta and artichoke hearts. It's just an incredible, delicious blend of flavors. I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell. Have a great day.